how to search nearby on Telegram. So unfortunately, Telegram announces removal of the people nearby feature. Business nearby replaces people nearby. So for whatever reason, Telegram has decided, instead of allowing you to see people nearby to be able to chat with, as long as you have location service turned on, it will now show businesses nearby. If you wanted to connect and communicate with businesses, probably for the reason of that, they can sell this as a service to the business. Basically, the business pays to pop up as nearby, and then you can chat with them or interact with those businesses. Unfortunately, there is no real way to turn this back on. If this feature has been disabled on your Telegram account, keep in mind they're rolling this out, so it might still be turned on your account, and you might just be able to update the app to the latest version to get the feature, but eventually they will roll it out. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.